Yeah, we should win this.
I'm actually fucking terrible.
You and don't worry. Yeah, chill. No support.
We got no support, guys.
I'm coming back.
Play BMS good.
I'm gonna come heal you. Oh, I'm weak. Oh, I have 13 HP. Let me sit in the corner.
Holy shit. Get thing, he's being dumb.
Someone's behind, back right.
No! Dude, why does
have
Mag
him,
fly
I can use
so
that.
far up when he ults, bro? Sometimes I love that he flies, sometimes I hate it.
They cloak ulted there, right?
Crazy. Matt is stuck in silver and Overwatch. Yeah, we were goated though. The Mercy Sim duo. We ate down.
Hella behind him.
Hella is behind. Careful.
I'll get her, go point.
I have Luna ult too in a second if we need it. 1, 2, 3. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I fucking suck. I need a second.
Oh, fuck me.
Help. Hey, help.
The TP.
Well, hi, Lumi. Sub! Thank you for gifting Chelsea a sub! Love and appreciate you, Pookie. How was your day, Sub? What'd you do today?
Do it.
I've still got songs to sing.
Don't get above him.
Gonna punish your ult.
Oh, Jesus.
Bruh.
Ooh.
That's a bad portal.
It was in a like I couldn't
Just
see.
like throw us in the middle.
I think we just couldn't see. Like downward, you know?
Yeah.
I couldn't see you guys from like the It wasn't like tipped forward. There you go. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, I need to be
It's
like
just an
completely
angle.
upside down. The vault. Oh, you're so far from it.
73.
That was an awful portal. They were able to reposition like instantly.
You just throw that portal up top so Punny can ult and we're Gucci, baby.
We got this. I think our team's better.
I tried to stay positive.
How much healing are you sitting at right now, Cloak?
23k.
Our team are feeders. Feeders!
Feeders.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
And I'm always dead, so.
Your idealism
Sorry.
refreshes a battered old
That's
No,
probably
that's
my
not your
fault.
fault. That's not your fault.
It's probably my fault. I'm gonna keep it honest.
What? Like,
I'm
no
whiffing.
fault.
It's because he's a controller.
Oh gosh, I just muted you.
Mm.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
twisted metal in ways humans are so fond of their golden idols, but all of them shall bow to steel.
Thing? Thing dies here. I'll ult first, Cloak. Someone's top left. Sounds like hella. 1, 2, 3. I'm coming to heal you guys on there. Here, let's get out of the room though.
No, fuck me.
We have the
Almost
pressure
all
on
here.
the point. Watch. Yep. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, I got hit by it.
Things on me in the back. Need a little bit of help if you can, Cloak. I have 3 people on me.
Oh, fuck me.
Control lost.
Okay.
They're gonna
Okay,
have
now.
they're gonna have slightly better support ults than us.
Yeah, thoughts on a second tank?
3 DPS? Oh gosh. Is Hella up top?